when you need to recall your mix, all you're going to do is go over here to where it says scenes.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to press view so you can see it. That's going to bring this screen up.
Okay.
Okay, there's tabs for different folders here.
Okay.
You
Is
don't
that
want to get
touchscreen?
close enough, no. But you might want to get close enough so you can see the tabs in the video. There you
Okay.
go. There's different tabs. You want to go to scenes. How you do that is by using the left and right arrow button right here to get to
Okay.
the next page.
Sure.
So you're going to go to the page select, go over to the next page. That's going to
Okay.
show scenes.
Okay.
Main mix 1 is your mix. All you have to do to recall it is go here and press load. Press this encoder.
Okay.
It's going to say, do you want to load this scene? It's a yes or no. The page select doubles as your yes and no. So yes is page forward, and just pulled everything back to where we had it set.
Okay. All right.
Recorder in here, a data recorder, and it will record straight to USB, and you can play it back through the console also. Okay. So the way you do that is I set up bus 5 as your recording mix.
Okay.
Okay. So same way you mix the monitors, you would mix the recording mix. Okay. So what you would do is this has already been set up so that if you go here to view.
Okay.
Okay, and you press record, it is recording from bus 5.
Oh, okay.
So all you have to do is go to bus 5, just like you'd be setting up a monitor mix, right? Do that. You're going to want to solo this because you're going to want to hear what's going on through the headphones, right? When you're setting up the recording mix, because it's different from front of the house. You need to be able to hear what it's doing. So press solo, press the sends on fader button, and now this is your recording mix.
Okay. So where is the file? It's in the system? Or?
It stores it on the USB card.
So we
a
need,
USB stick.
Okay, so during the service, if we want to record it, we
Plug in the USB
plug the
stick.
USB
USB
stick.
first, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. If you got
Okay.
one,
Yeah,
amen.
yeah, we have one.
Okay, do we have to do this or just
Yes.
just record?
This is so I can hear. Well, I can adjust. If I go to this third layer, it says aux in USB effects returned.
Okay.
USB
Okay.
shows up here when we play the USB stick. So I turn this up a little bit
Okay.
and I go rewind.
Oh, yeah, rewind.
Now I'm
Okay.
going to rewind and then I press play.
Play.
Your main mix on the mixer.
So we can
But-
back up the file?
On
Really?
yes,
yeah,
yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Yeah.
Just in
Cool.
case something happens and
Yeah.
somebody messes with it, you've
You
still
can
got the
restore
original.
from-
Yes.
yeah,
cool.
right, yeah.
Okay, so once again, you're going here, you're just going right over here. But to do it here, I'm going to do save settings to USB drive.
Okay.
So I'm going to go here,
Okay.
Okay.
you know,
So you wipe off everything in the USB?
main mix 1. I don't have to, it'll just save it.
Okay.
So, main mix 1, I'm going to save. And I think that should have done it. Make sure save settings to USB. There it is, main mix 1. Right there. There it is. It's on there.
Okay. How can we back up?
It's on it. It's already on it. That was
yeah,
it.
How can we restore to
Oh.
the system?
Okay, so let's say somebody messed it up. You come in here. Okay, over here to view, just like you normally would, right?
View.
Okay, you're going to page over to scenes.
Picture the scene.
It's going to say load settings in USB drive. Press that.
Save.
Okay,
Oh,
now
okay.
use the encoder to turn it until it says main mix 1,
Main mix.
and then press select. It's going to say, do you want us to do that from the USB drive? Yeah, why, yes, I do. There you go.
Oh, okay, cool.
Sure, when you turn off, you turn the amps off first.
The first.
Correct.
Okay.
What you're trying to do, the reason you do that, you're trying to avoid the mixer hearing the boom through the sound system when it turns off.
Okay.
So-